This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, June the 8th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Shortwave trough moving out of the state at this point. That's taking the precipitation chances well off to our east. Can't rule out an isolated shower early in the morning in our eastern counties. And the best chances of precipitation later on today will be across Wisconsin and Illinois. Otherwise, sunshine around today, highs in the 70s to lower 80s across the state, but heat is building off to our west, and that's going to be coming in as we move into Tuesday. You can see plenty of sunshine around, maybe a few clouds here and there, but temperatures will soar. Lower 90s possible in our western counties, 80s elsewhere. It'll be quite breezy as well. Not very humid, though, so we can at least take some heed with that. But unfortunately, the dry air is not going to last long. Wednesday it'll still be mainly dry, but storms will be starting to take shape with the next system off to our west, and that's going to be coming in here as we move into Thursday. And unfortunately, these chances are going to extend through the weekend as well. So we could see overnight storms with complexes similar to the one complex we had late Saturday night into Sunday of this past weekend. We could have similar aspects of that with some daytime sunshine and then afternoon and evening and overnight storms. This could be from Thursday all the way through the weekend, as you see here. Here on Saturday, it might be a bit drier, but moisture is coming in again, because these will be several systems, disturbances kind of moving through the area. There will be some dry time, some sunshine, highs mainly around the upper 70s through the 80s during this period, all dependent on the amount of sunshine we get, or if we get a lot of rain. Temperatures could be held down because of that, so we'll have to wait and see. Sunday, it looks like a system's going to be coming in from the north and west. You see that here by next Monday. You see that the disturbance across western and northwestern Ontario, with the trough extending down across the western, Midwest, and Great Lakes, and that is going to be kicking a frontal system through the area here next Monday. So that's probably when the shower and thunderstorm chances are going to start to wane, is late next Monday, after beginning sometime on Thursday. So the later part of the weekend looks rather wet. However, as we go into the extended period on around the 19th, we have a ridge over the south and southeast, that's a mouthful, trough over the west, flow out of the west and southwest. The Gulf will kind of be open up, so we could see some moisture with this storm coming in from the north and west, so showers and thunderstorms possible. Too early to determine where they'll be, the timing and whatnot, because summertime convection can be very fickle at this point. And as we go to the end of the forecast on the 23rd, main jet stream across the northern tier of the country. You see some disturbances moving along it across the northern plains into the western Great Lakes. And with that, that means it'll still be rather stormy around here, but as I've mentioned earlier, it could be daytime sunshine, nighttime storms, or nighttime or afternoon storms. It's all going to be dependent on what happens, and we won't probably know that until we're within 24 to 48 hours. But the satellite image from last evening, we know what's happening last evening. You can see a frontal system moving slowly away from the state, showers and thunderstorms along it. And you see, if you follow the cloud path, it goes right down to Tropical Storm Blanca off of Baja, California. And that's been moving moisture in. It's also producing quite a bit of rain. You see some flood issues across Missouri, Illinois, into Indiana, where there's also a severe thunderstorm watch during the early morning hours. Some heat advisories out west as well, where it's really heating up. And they're going to stay mainly dry out there. This is rainfall through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here will be between a half and 1 inch, but some places may get less and some may get way more, and this will be toward the end of the week. It'll be dry until then.